today we're diving into the MAXtv app, a streaming service that claims to deliver a wide range of content right to your fingertips. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. MAXtv offers users access to a variety of streaming options, from movies to live TV channels, all bundled into one app. It aims to cater to different audiences, whether you're a binge watcher or someone who enjoys live sports. Navigating the app feels relatively straightforward, with a clean layout that allows users to find content quickly. However, while the selection looks promising, I noticed that some popular titles were missing, which could be a deal breaker for more seasoned streamers. The app also promotes various subscription tiers, but details on pricing and specific features are a bit murky, leaving potential users with questions. What stands out is the app's focus on user-friendly design, but I did find a few areas that felt unclear, especially regarding the availability of certain channels or content based on location. This could be frustrating if you're looking for specific shows or networks. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, MAXtv's interface is intuitive, making it easy for new users to get started. The variety of content is a solid point, appealing to different tastes. However, there are some frustrations, like the lack of clarity on pricing and content availability, which could leave users feeling a bit lost. Additionally, some users might find that the library is not as extensive as competitors. If you're someone who relies heavily on niche or specific content, this might not be the best fit. In terms of trust, the app's transparency regarding its offerings and limitations could definitely improve, especially for those who want to know exactly what they're subscribing to before committing. So, who should consider MAXtv? If you're looking for a straightforward streaming app with a decent selection and an easy-to-use interface, it might be worth a shot. However, if you're a content connoisseur or need specific channels, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, the app feels like it has potential, but it needs to clarify a few things before it can fully earn your trust.